Peace and love, everyone. Peace and love. I know this is a late video, but I'm about to do something kind of fun. I have made a decision that if I have over a certain amount of followers, that I will go ahead and dedicate this channel strictly to dreadlocks. And of course, you know, I can't talk about dreadlocks, freeform, natural hair without talking about eating healthy. So that is going to always be on my channel. But I'm thinking about adding like the stuff that I do on my other channels. I'm still going to have to do reviews on this channel because that's what I'm locked into this channel with certain companies. I have to do some reviews. But when you see those, if that's not what you want to see, you know, by all means, you don't have to watch them. But this is all contingent upon how many subscribers I currently have. So the last time I checked, I had 5,588. So if I have 5,000, what did I say I had? Was it 5,588? Okay, so if I have 5,590 or up. If I just had 2 new subscribers today than I did yesterday. Forget the background. You all know what's going on with me. And if you don't know, please click the link above. We're almost there, and that's why I am super elated, and I'm about to take advantage of all this space that we have here. Okay, so let me go. I don't want to take up your time, but I am going to talk a little bit today about why I keep my hair covered, especially during this time when I'm staying in a place that is not my home. Dang, I just had it. Okay, let's see how many subscribers I have. That's not a big thing. It's just that was just something fun I wanted to do. What's on my screen? And you all, I have 5,591 subscribers. It says my subscribers are down. Are you subscribed? If not, why not? You ought to be. I'm still trying to put out videos, even though I've been displaced currently. But let's talk about, so comment down below if you'll be subscribing to the new channel, in which I will be talking more of fashion, more of, you know, vlogging, you know, like a vlog, like a kind of into my world type thing. I might not post those videos here, but I am going to have to post videos. Sorry, I am going to have to post my PR videos here because they send me packages and stuff, and then I buy stuff. The stuff that I buy, I probably will put on the other channel, and the stuff that they send me, I have to put on this channel because they're putting it because it's based upon the amount of people that are watching my channel. So if it's only one person subscribed, they're not going to send anything, and then they're going to stop sending stuff, which is not often that they do. With me being over 51, all they want to do is send me anti-aging products, but that's fine. I'm cool with that. But today we're going to talk about why I keep my hair covered. Okay, so at 3 minutes and 40 seconds, we're about to start now. So I'm going to put that in the description box just in case you don't want to hear all this other nonsense I was talking about. Thank you all for looking at my last video. Thank you all for trying to see my live chat yesterday. I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on, but it's crazy. Anyway, so the reason why I keep my hair covered, as you all know, I'm currently in a hotel, and in the summertime, I like to keep my hair covered in the first place. For me, it keeps the heat, you know, off my neck and off my back. It keeps me from sweating on my back. You know what I'm saying? It keeps my hair protected from the sun. This material that I have on is nylon. It's a polyester. It's a stretch feel. It's a blend. So it's protecting my hair, as opposed to, you know, I don't have all satin pillowcases. I do have one here, but for the most part, when they come up here to change pillowcases, you know, they're cotton pillowcases, and then I have to put my pillowcase on top of it. But still, because I'm not at home and because I can't stage this place out the way that I want to, I like to keep my hair protected. You all haven't seen Lucky in a long time. Here he is. Hey, I done grew a lot of hair too. But yes, I like to keep my hair protected. And when you are in heat, it's just like your skin. Your hair is no different. Make sure that you're protecting. I don't care if you're the blackest of black or the lightest of light. If you white, Puerto Rican, whatever. It does not matter what color you are. If you Lucky's color, if you my color, if you the color of the back of my phone, you still have to protect. You still have to protect your skin, and your hair is, you know, a part of that. So make sure that you are using sunscreen. Check out the SPF that you should be using. I honestly, you know, because I got a little tan going on. Can y'all see it? Y'all see that? Look, that's because my arm was hanging out the window. I ain't been nowhere. But no, seriously. Make sure that you all are protecting your hair. You don't want your hair to dry out. Now, you can always mist your hair with water and everything, and definitely mist your scalp with like water and jojoba oil or so if it's feeling dry. But always protect your hair. Cover it with something. If your hair is not long, it doesn't matter. You can find caps or whatever to cover your hair. Yes, I am wearing a brand new, which I don't do often because it's just because of this displacement that I'm wearing it. And I'm about to find me a company, or I'm going to find me a company and I'm going to start selling these things myself to you all. I'm tired of telling y'all to go to, you know, different people and stuff and buying stuff. And, you know, I'm not getting no kickback from it. So, and it's not even about that. It's just that I've been pubbing this stuff for a long time. And I want to be able to offer it to you all with optimum quality. Comment down below if that's something that you would like. Let me know what your hair length is, what it is that you are seeking. See, I'm definitely going, if I do something, if I purchase from someone, because 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to have time to sit back and, you know, make these things myself, even though it's not that hard. But why make them when I want to send them out in bulk? So if anybody's interested, if anybody has a business and they're interested in carrying caps, trust me, that's something that I want to stylize for you all. Stylize. I want to stylize that for you. I want to have caps that the band is not sliding, that it's not too tight, that it's not causing headaches. I want to do the tubes. I may not be able to beat the price of the tubes, but my caps are going to be dynamic. If that's something that you're interested in, please comment down below. Send me an email if you have a business and that's something that you're interested in. Let me know what colors you like. You know I'm a colorful person, so I'm not going to have just all solid colors. I'm definitely going to have the Nigerian flag color. I'm definitely going to have the Jamaican, Malaysian, all my, everybody. I'm going to have different colors. I'm going to have purple for royalty and gold. I'm going to have blue. You know, and it's to protect your hair. Everybody's like, you got such long hair. Why you don't wear your hair down? Because you know what? I get tired of it sweeping the floor. If I'm going to pick up something from the room, or if I'm going to the store and I'm going to pick up something, guess what? Yeah, and it's a fan in here, and I'm in the Hyatt place in Hyatt. And I'm in the Hyatt place in Hyde Park. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hotel. This room, I had so much junk, I would have moved to another room. But they treat us so good here. It's so nice here. But anyway, Lucky loves it too. And they're dog friendly. But anyway, but yes, that's something I want to do. If anybody is interested in doing business with me, and I mean like Empress Pie, you have your own business. If that, I know it's totally different from what you do, but anybody who said, you know, anybody who has people who you think will want it, even if you don't want to be bothered with it, you can still send them my way and just let them know that that's something I'm coming up with. I want to say, since my birthday month was horrible, since this month is getting better, I'm going to say by September. I want to wait till my daughter's in school. And I want to, and who knows, it could happen faster than that. But I want to make sure that I make protective coverings. This is cotton that's on top. Of course, we all know. This is $1. I got 2 of them for $1, but it just adds to the dimension. But I want to make protective coverings for anyone who wears their natural hair, because I tell you, the amount of hair shedding that you can get from cotton is phenomenal. Not only that, Now, okay, I'm gonna speak this, and please don't nobody go back and run with it and tell anybody that I'm saying you should do this, because I don't like this. However, friction, cotton causes friction, right? So if you're new to letting your hair grow, and I shouldn't really be giving out this information because it's not the best information. So hopefully you'll just understand what I'm saying and don't go do it, because it also is going to dry out your hair. But if you're laying on a cotton pillowcase daily and you want your hair to mat up fast, and I'm making these faces so I really don't like it. I don't like nothing. I don't even like microwaves. Not really. I don't like nothing fast. But it will, because of the friction, it will cause your hair to kind of mat a little bit more. And even salt water, if you're like in a area, if you're going on vacation this summer and you're going to be in salt water, that'll do it too. I had a friend that went on vacation for a couple weeks, came back, and it was matted. It was perfect. It was the way she wanted it. You know what I'm saying? However, what I'm saying is, if you're gonna do the salt water, make sure that you're going to treat your hair. Do some tea treatments. Do some nice tea treatments. Make sure you put some moisture back into your scalp, especially if you have a curlier grade of hair. My daughter's talking now about 4C and 4 all this. I don't talk that type of talk, but she's showing me, so I get it. That's not what I was taught at Pivot Point International. Google it. That's school. That's school in the world. But no, seriously. What was I about to say? Anyway, what was I about to say about the pivot point thing? I totally forget. Forget it. And I'm not editing this. I'm about to end this, and I'm about to put this one to bed, and I'm about to do some more stuff that I need to do so I can get me some sleep too. But yes, make sure you keep your hair moisturized. Make sure your scalp. Oh, that's what I was talking about. The 4C. 4C, 4B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Whatever you get, you still have a scalp. You still have skin. Skin is the largest organ of your body. You must keep it hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Drink at least half your body weight in water a day. You think I'm playing with it, right? This is not the only one I have. I have 3 of these. And this is not... I fill these up from 5 o'clock in the morning. From 5 o'clock in the morning. If I come back and, it's just what, I got to fill them up again. I pour them out and I fill it up with ice again. And yes, because I don't have a hose here, because I don't have my purification thing that I'm used from a shower. And, I will be recording from my home. But again, I don't know. My best friend told me not to do a tour, maybe maybe I'm just going to do a tour of this neighborhood over here, which is not far from where I live. And I shouldn't even be saying that. Really it is, but it ain't. It's still not telling you. But anyway, what are we going to do? Comment down below. What are we going to do? I'm going to say it one time. We're going to cover our hair when necessary because of, protecting it from the sun. We're going to make sure that we cover our bodies with SPF. Some people use 30. Some people use up to 50. Some people like me, I just went like 15 because I'm trying to get a suntan. I'm still looking pale, being lucky looking alike. I ain't trying to look like this. Even though he's beautiful, I'm not trying to look like this. But seriously, it's important because all people can get skin cancer. Some form of skin cancer. You don't want to see those little spots, sunspots, and all that type of stuff. So we want to make sure we do that. We want to make sure that our hair is not breaking off because of the fact that we want to let our hair flow and it's out here getting dry and crunchy because of the sun hitting it like that. That's why people wear sun hats. It also protects your face. It protects your eyes. So make sure that you're covering your hair. Comment down below. if you're interested in these new caps. I just came up with that. I thought about it before, but I just came up with the fact that I have to do this. Not only that, those of you that are swimmers, comment down below. I know they have them in London. They were like $70. And I'm sure they probably have more. Comment down below if you know of any. And I'm going to try to find something and beat the price. But I want quality, nothing but quality, because I don't like anything but quality. As you all know, I had to start all over with my, I think I may have these, but these don't really work for me that much anymore. I just bought this one. And these, the King J. I'm stuck. But that's why I want to start my own line. And let me know if you like the different prints that I'm talking about doing, the different, you know, color flags and stuff. Let me know where you're from. Where you from? Belize? Are you from Jamaica? Are you from my place, Nigeria? Are you from where? Where are you from? Let me know. London? Where? Please let me know. Germany. One of my old stomping grounds. But seriously though, protect yourself. Let me know how things have been going this summer now that things have opened up and everything. Are you doing anything? It's burning up here. It's only like 78, but I swear I feel like it's about 100 in this room. This fan is the only thing keeping me from jumping out this seat. I love you all. Thank you for rocking and rolling with me. You all have no idea the tenacity that has been gained through everything that we've been through. I must say that my daughter, I'm not going to have her on camera hardly any because she's growing up, but she has been my strength. This one right here, this is the GOAT. This is the one who saved us. This is the one who barked. You know, and again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's going to be over here, over here. It's going to be somewhere, and I'll tell you a little bit more. But it's not that interesting, but it was devastating. You know, but we're better now. Say we're better. We just gotta get. He just gotta get a haircut and get some more clothes. We all need more clothes. So with that, we bid you adieu. We love you, Odabo. Mofavorian. Mofavorian, we love you. I love you. And Odabo. Goodbye. Say Odabo. Say Odabo. Peace and love you all. Don't forget to comment down below. Thumbs up the video. Also, if you have not checked out my Instagram page, I'm about to be updating some more pictures. Probably tonight. Make sure you check them out. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'm about to upload this video. And you all check out my Instagram page. If you're new to my Instagram page, leave me a comment. I guarantee you I will definitely leave more than just a heart back. And I comment on all my comments down below too. But go to the Instagram page if you're interested in what I look like. People like from 10 years ago, they want me to still look like I did 10 years ago. Well, guess what? I was real sick 10 years ago. And I'm getting better now. So be happy that I'm alive because my child is. And so is my dog. And so am I. There may be somebody else. I don't know. Maybe one of y'all. Nah, I know it's a lot of y'all. But I love you all. But seriously, peace and love.